No, they're different colors. For goodness sake.
am making a mega fish. The ultimate fish.
Hello, fellow questers. Today, we're going to do an interesting challenge where we are building block sets that my mother got at the Japanese dollar store called Daiso. I don't know if that, which one are you going to see it in? And today we have a nautical theme.
Today's challenge is going to be, we're going to build these as fast as we can. The last one to finish has a loser punishment, so make sure to stick to the end to find out what that punishment is.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Are you ready? Set, build!
Oh no, we have to open them too. Okay. I'm pretty sure the directions are in English. Maybe they're just pictures.
I don't know, everything
They're mostly just pictures.
is Japanese.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. Alright, got my base. Perfect. I need my instructions. Get out of here.
So many things.
Okay, where do I start? Where do I start? One. Okay.
Oh my gosh, one has a lot of steps.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my goodness.
Open.
Oh.
Open
This
sesame.
is really complicated.
Hey, you
stop
stay away
that.
from my pieces.
Don't get your
You're trying to
pieces.
steal my
You think
pieces.
because these are already together, that
Oh.
means they go together?
I have no idea.
I need tweezers.
I have slightly smaller hands than you guys, so I have an advantage.
Don't
What?
know.
These
or-
directions are ridiculous.
They are basically follow the pictures.
Okay,
You see, this is all in
oh
Japanese.
my goodness, what?
Okay, I gotta say, Lego directions are way easier. These directions are unbelievably complex to follow.
I am doing pretty good, I think.
Oh, you.
Wait, no, I messed up somewhere.
This.
I don't know where, but I messed up because it's not symmetrical.
Yeah, mine's not right either.
I might as well just make a deformed whale at this point. Just keep on going. Nobody will notice. It's on the bottom anyways. Unless that's going to screw everything else up.
Probably will.
That's fine. It's fine. I'm just moving on. Deformed whale. Whale.
Well,
Well.
excuse me.
Oh.
My goodness, Mom.
Yeah, that was really exciting.
What happened?
I finished step 2.
I'm on step 4.
Shush.
Oh, I use big brain. I went from step 1 to step 3 and skipped step 2 completely. I went like this. Woo! Alright, step 3.
Belly.
Let's go. Let's
You
do
mean step 2?
step 2.
Oh yeah,
Going
you
backwards.
messed up.
No. It's part of the process. I am winning.
You're like, this is weird. It skips so quickly. How strange.
I never said I followed directions well. Look at me. Look at me, instructions. Okay.
You can't make instructions look at
I
you.
can. I willed it. It looked at me.
You wheeled it?
I willed it.
You whaled it?
I whaled it.
You whaled it.
That's right.
Done.
Oh!
Ah!
Oh, that's not in frame.
Oh no.
Still not in frame. Yeah, there you go.
Ah.
Oh no.
Alright, so...
Time for this one.
What?
Finished.
Finished! Oh, wait.
No.
You're nowhere near.
Hey, I am
Oh wait,
close.
clean up later. Clean up later. Okay.
back that way. Oh, snap that apple in half and call it a party trick. Oh, well, that Lego's in there forever now. Just fell right in there. Can't get it out.
It's now a rattle.
Just gonna say, oh, there goes another one. All right, so it's a good thing some of these pieces were extra. Look at that beautiful whale.
Is there something wrong with it?
No, everything's fine with it.
Oh, yeah, that didn't look right.
It's perfect.
No, you didn't even do it right yet.
It's-
You have to fix it.
Nope, it's beautiful. Moving on.
I'm just confusing myself.
This
Okay,
was a
I have
terrible. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
Yours.
Oh no! Like I'm getting cramps. I'm having anxiety.
Why is the anxiety though?
Because I want to beat you.
Well, if you're gonna do that, yeah.
What?
Done.
Oh man.
So I guess it's down to you and me. I think it's starting to look like a proper dolphin now. Maybe. I think I messed up somewhere again, but it's okay. We're just gonna keep going.
Look at the comparison.
Yes, it's beautiful. I know, thank you.
This one has a cut, and this one is just a board.
It's a little bit chubby. Don't whale shame.
Only in one place and one side, not on the other side.
Hey, you don't know. You could have fought off a megalodon. And that was his scar.
No.
Now my whale's getting backstory and everything. Not
It's
well.
collapsing in upon itself.
Yeah, that's how I got something inside of it. Well, two things. See, my whale is special.
Mom's almost done.
At all. Come on, tail. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All I need is this tail and the platform.
Done.
Do you see the only thing I had to do left was a little and then put the thingies up right here and
How long was that? I think it was like
Kudos.
45 minutes.
and then look, bam, done.
I finished a lot earlier than you guys.
Yeah, your whale and your dolphin both look like they have issues.
They didn't. Okay, to be fair,
Yeah, that
I
was-
definitely messed up a couple of times, and I took some of the extra pieces and just put them in different spots.
His eyes.
Hey, his eye is fine.
No, his eyes.
What's wrong with him? His eyes are perfectly fine. Oh, his eyes are really close together.
Oh gosh.
Mine's a bottlenose dolphin. That's see, look at bottlenose dolphin right there. Yeah. It's a whale killer for sure.
Okay, I feel better because I fixed mine.
All right. Well, I lost.
Oh my gosh, look how wrong yours is. Don't, baby, don't. You're gonna mess up. Don't we need to? What are we gonna do with these now?
Go.
No, they're different
No,
colors. For
I
goodness sake.
am making a mega fish. The ultimate fish.
It looks so chubby. It's chubby.
You like him? My mega fish?
That's not what it looks like to me.
It's so chubby.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no.
Uh-huh.
And we have to show off all our different things.
Oh, yeah, you guys can show yours off. We're not showing mine.
Show it to this camera.
Show off the derpy guy.
The derpy guy.
It's
Derpy.
Yeah, that's terrible.
and then there's mine. Done
Perfect.
perfectly.
Yeah, Ridgely, ours are perfect. Aww.
Ew, PDA, gross.
What?
Ew.
Public display of affection.
Oh.
So the clear winner was Ridgely.
By a lot.
Yeah.
Yes, by a lot.
I lost, obviously, so I get the loser punishment. But before we do that, let's see one of your guys' hello quests that you sent us.
Sup, my name's James Massey. I was born in California, which is in San Luis. Today I'm gonna do some jump rope with an original Xbox controller.
Way to go, James.
I never thought about using an Xbox controller as a jump rope.
Was it Xbox?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very good idea. Very creative.
Remember, if you'd like to submit your own videos to be featured in our episodes, go to wearehelloquest.com, which is on the bottom of the screen. And remember to do what, Ridgely?
Ding, 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 ding.
Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.
And do you know where people can get merch?
Yeah.
Like this.
You can get... Bye, Lego piece. Yeah. You can get merch either through our website,
Which is?
www.wearehelloquest.com. And there's links there. There's pictures of all, like, not all of our merch, some of our merch. You click it, and then it will bring you to our store.
Woo!
All right, let's get on to the loser punishment.
Ridgely, since you're the winner and Daddy was the loser, you get to spoon feed him
Whoa, that's not that much.
a spoonful of cinnamon.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. And then, wait. Jared, once you get it in your mouth, you have to tell everybody, see you next time.
Okay. Ready?
Don't breathe in. Isn't this bad for your lungs?
See you guys next time. Bye.
Oh my god.
So gross. Ew.
Ew! It looks blood colored, but it isn't. Ew! That's disgusting.
You're like a monster.
Yeah.